Welcome to Agentic Knowledge Graph Construction built in partnership with Neo4j. In this course, you design a multi-agent system that transforms your structured and unstructured data into a knowledge graph. I found knowledge graphs really useful for high-stakes applications where accuracy of the information we store and retrieve is important. This course will teach you why and also give you a great set of tools for building these knowledge graphs. I'm delighted the instructor for this course is Andres Colliger, who is a developer evangelist for generative AI at Neo4j.
Thanks, Andrew. I'm excited to be back here to work with you on this course.
Similar to RAG, a knowledge graph system splits your text documents into chunks and stores them in a vector database. But in addition to that, it places the chunks into a graph structure where each chunk is linked to entities extracted from the chunks. For example, a text chunk from a product review can contain entities such as product orders or delivery issues or product defects. To build a knowledge graph, you extract the relevant entities from the chunks, then connect the chunks and the entities in a graph through edges. Here, each edge represents a relationship. For example, maybe it represents that this chunk mentioned a certain product or that that product has an issue. The entities are retrieved alongside the relevant chunks to provide more relevant context to the LLM to generate more precise and accurate answers. You can also connect this type of graph to another graph containing additional information extracted from structured data such as CSV files. In this course, Andres will walk you through how to build a multi-agent system that helps you do all this work of constructing this type of knowledge graph.
To transform your structured and unstructured data into a knowledge graph, you first need to decide on the graph schema, meaning what types of entities or nodes you can extract from the data and what relationships exist between them. Once you have the schema defined, you can construct the actual graph and store it in a graph database. Instead of manually looking at your data to find the graph schema, you will design a multi-agent system for doing that using Google's ADK, or Agent Development Kit. After you learn the basic syntax with ADK, you'll design your system one agent at a time. The first agent will converse with you to extract the goal and type of graph you want to build. Then, given that goal, a group of agents will specialize in extracting the entities and relationships from your structured data, and another group of agents will handle your unstructured data. Finally, the final set of agents will connect the two models and construct the graph accordingly.
Many people have worked to create this course. I'd like to thank from Neo4j, Martin O'Hanlon and Adam Cowley. From deeplearning.ai, Christopher Policastro and Hara Salami also contributed to this course. In the first lesson, you learn more about the underlying structure of knowledge graphs and how you can build one and use it to identify root causes of product issues.
Sounds great. Let's get started.